Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. In this video, we are going to discuss about the mean function in statistics module in Python. So this mean function is used to calculate the arithmetic mean of the numbers in a list. So basically, the mean function returns the sample arithmetic mean of your data, which can be a sequence or iterable. The arithmetic mean is the sum of the data divided by the total number of data points. It's commonly called as the average, although it is only one of the many different mathematical averages. And basically, this statistics.mean function gives you the measure of the central location of your data. So let's go and see how we can use this mean function in a simple program. So first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to import statistics as S, and then I'm going to create a list. Let's create a list from 1 till 5. So let's say put 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Now, if I want to calculate the mean of these value, there are two ways to do it. Either I can add it one by one and then divide it by the total number of elements that we have in our list. Else, what we can do is that we can simply use the print function. Within this print function, I'm just going to use this s dot mean, which is nothing but statistics dot mean. And with this mean keyword, I have to start with a bracket. Within this bracket, I have to give the argument. For us, the argument is the list that we have created, which is my list. So I'm just gonna copy and put it over here. Then if I run it, you can see that we are getting 3.4285, right? This is the average of these value. Similarly, you can calculate the mean of negative numbers that is present in a list. So let's say that I have another list, which is my list 1, and in this list I'm just going to give some negative random values. So let's say -1, -4, -5, and then if I want to calculate the mean of these element or the average of the element that is present in our list, then I can use this statistics.mean function to get my value. So if I run it, you can see that we are getting our output over here at 0.5714. Now if the data is empty in your list, then you will get the statistics error and it will be raised by the Python. So this is how basically you can use the statistics.mean function in your Python program. Happy learning and see you in the next video.